Hello and welcome back to Down the Shore Homestead. Today's a very busy day, lots of things going on, but I wanted to stop and do a video today for you guys because I think I finally found an actual laundry detergent recipe that you can use in an H.E washing machine. There are a ton of videos out there when it's laundry detergent, however it's actually laundry soap. And if you use any type of soap in a recipe to make laundry detergent or laundry soap, it's going to leave your clothes dingy and it's going to have soap buildup on it because those recipes were made for back in the day when people used washboards and surface tension with their hands against something to cause the soap to clean the clothes. Well, our H.E washing machines don't have that washboard type surface scrub to get the soap to not leave residue on your clothes. The recipe I found, though, I think fits the bill for all H.E washing machines. It looks like it's going to work great, clean your clothes, get rid of smells, and not leave residue on your clothes. So if you're looking for a laundry detergent recipe that you can actually use in your H.E washing machine, then stick around. And as we say around here, let's go down the shore. So this recipe for laundry detergent does not have bar soap in it like Zote or Fells Napa or any other recipe out there that has that type of a soap. This video has Sals Suds in it, which is a surfactant to make it foam, and it's a degreaser, and it's safe for your clothes. So this is why it's considered a detergent, because the Sals Suds works as the tool to create surface tension to remove the dirt from the clothes but not leave residue on your clothes. And the washing soap and the borax help with odors and removing dirt and grime as well. So for this recipe you need 4 cups of water, 2/3 of a cup of laundry washing soda, 1/4 cup of Sals Suds, 1/4 cup of borax. Now if you don't want to use borax, because I've heard some people complain about borax recently, even though our parents and grandparents were using this like 100 years ago, you can use baking soda instead. However, you might want to check the pH levels. I didn't do that because I'm not using baking soda, but I know that if you use baking soda and vinegar, they cancel each other out. So that's why I'm using borax, because borax and washing soda are 2 different pH levels and they will not cancel each other out and they will clean the clothes better. So do some research if you want to use baking soda instead of borax, but this is the recipe that I'm going to use. The Sals Sud removes debris and contaminants from surfaces and reduces the surface tension of the water, allowing it to penetrate and lift away the dirt and grime off of the clothing, as well as emulsifying the oils and fat, making it easier to remove the stubborn stains. And the borax softens the water, helps with stains, and removes odors. All of these ingredients are natural and non-toxic, making them safe for the environment and your family. Borax is a mild abrasive that can help remove tough stains, while washing soda is alkaline and it can help break down and remove dirt and grime. So this recipe is super easy. Take the 4 cups of water and put it into a container. Take 2/3 of a cup of washing soda, 1/4 cup of Sals Suds, and 1/4 cup of borax, and mix it together. And once this is all dissolved, store it in an airtight container like this. And you don't have to worry about how long it's going to last for, because you're going to go through this before it expires. And basically, you're going to use the first line on your old laundry scoop to determine how much per load. The first line is for your regular loads, and the top line is for your really dirty, your husband is out working in the yard and he's got mud all over him, or grease because he's working in the car. That's the line you would use for heavy duty cleaning. But for all other loads, even if your kids were playing baseball, you don't need to use the top line, just use the normal first line to wash your clothes with. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you'll continue to follow us on this journey of becoming more self-sufficient. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and the bell notification for all future videos like this one. Put in the comments below if you've tried it and if you like it, or put in the comments below if you find another recipe that you like better, because I'm always open for new suggestions. And don't forget to put hearts in the comments below for Rocco, because he patiently waits for me to make these videos for you guys. He's below me right now waiting for us to go outside and play. Rocco, do you want to go outside and play now? Yeah. Okay, let's go outside and play.